Miguel.
Hello.
Good afternoon.
Hello, good afternoon.
Kamusta?
Okay naman po, masaya. Busy sa Mulawi.
And that's what you're currently busy with today. So, super hirap ba mag-shoot ng Mulawin?
Hindi naman sobrang hirap. Ano lang siya, iba sa regular. Siyempre may costume, may contact lens, and kakaiba talaga yung character mo. Pero hindi mo naman maisip yun pag gusto mo yung ginagawa mo.
Wow. Super, parang you're so inspired these days. What keeps you, what keeps you going pagka medyo mahirap yung trabaho?
Siyempre, isipin mo na ang ganda ng opportunity na pinibigay sa'yo. Yung family mo nandyan for you to support you, your supporters. And siyempre, makapagtrabaho sama si Bianca, kulitin ka niyan. And siyempre, na-fill up yung energy bar ko pag ganun.
How was it working with, this is the first time that you worked with Jazz, I suppose?
No, matagal na kasi before nagkakasama kami ron pakailanman. Sa GMA, like kami nagkakasama.
And how was she in this shoot?
Okay naman siya. Medyo close na kami ni Jazz. And ngayong shoot, feeling ko okay naman bagay sa kanya yung mga damit kasi medyo may pagka-fierce yung shoot.
Okay, what were your favorites this particular shoot?
Gusto ko yung black long sleeves na...
What are you wearing today?
Ngayon, stripes with I like the style of it kasi kasi butas-butas siya. Puso.
And yeah. Kamusta naman ang your moments today with Bianca? Kamusta na yan?
Bye-bye. Moments today with Bianca although mainit yung
weather, yung location
namin ngayon. Hindi masyado naapektuhan kasi andyan naman si Bianca. Kumbaga parang malamig pa rin sa paningin mo kahit sobrang init.
Papakita natin yung the moves mo kanina. Swim. Ay, ganyan. Para-paraan. May statement ka ba about, yung parang small details na ginagawa mo for Bianca? Is it really effective, you think?
Small details?
Small things na ginagawa mo.
Small things, paano? Hindi naman intentional ginagawa mo. Lumalabas na siya ng pusa.
Alright. Would you like to thank your fans, please?
Yes, lahat ng Miguel and Biga supporters. Lahat ng Miguel and Biga supporters. Lahat ng Miguel and Biga supporters, maraming salamat po sa inyo. Sana subaybayan nyo ang malalapit ng Mulawin versus Ravenna. And syempre, back to school, magandang collection po yan. Sana tangkilikin po natin lahat. Love you guys!